Have you ever watched someone age twice as fast as they should, even though they thought they were eating healthy? I once had a neighbor, let's call her Linda. She was in her late 60s, always made her own smoothies, snacked on fruit instead of chips, and swore by her natural diet. But within a year, Linda was battling high blood pressure, joint pain, and memory lapses. The culprit? The very fruits she thought were keeping her young were actually speeding up her decline. So what if I told you that not all fruits are your friend after 60, and some might be working against you without you even realizing? Today we're diving into a list that every senior, and honestly, everyone over 50, needs to hear. The 4 fruits that help you stay sharp, strong, and energized. And the 4 fruits you might want to kick to the curb. Now, before you swear off fruit entirely, take a deep breath. The truth is, your body does change with age. Your metabolism slows, your insulin response weakens, and your cells don't repair as fast. That means what worked in your 30s might actually hurt you in your 60s. But the good news? The right fruits can act like medicine, healing your heart, feeding your brain, and keeping your energy high. Let's start with the good stuff. If your brain had a best friend, it'd be blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with anthocyanins, natural compounds that literally cross the blood-brain barrier to reduce inflammation and protect memory. One long-term study found that just 2 servings of blueberries per week could delay cognitive aging by over 2 years. That's like giving your brain a time machine. And for seniors worried about falls? Blueberries also help improve balance and coordination, huge for preventing injury. Just 1 cup a day in a smoothie, with oatmeal or frozen as a snack, is all it takes. Don't let the tough exterior fool you. Pomegranate is all heart. Its juice contains punicalagins, antioxidants that clean out your arteries like a power washer. One study even showed a 21% drop in systolic blood pressure just from regular pomegranate juice consumption. Even better, it boosts memory. In one UCLA study, seniors who drank it daily had significantly better recall just half a cup than those who didn't. Or a small splash of pure juice is enough. No need to go overboard. An apple a day might not keep every doctor away, but it sure helps. Apples are rich in pectin, a special type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improves digestion, and even lowers LDL cholesterol. Plus, apples help regulate blood sugar, a big win for seniors with insulin resistance. And fun fact, chewing them stimulates saliva, helping to protect teeth and gums, which become more vulnerable with age. Yes, avocado is a fruit, and it's a superstar. Packed with healthy fats, potassium, and lutein, it supports heart health, eye health, and even boosts how well your body absorbs vitamins from other foods. Half an avocado a day is all you need. Spread it on toast, mix it in a salad, or just eat it with a spoon. It's a creamy, delicious way to fight aging from the inside out. But while those fruits are fighting for your health, others, not so much. In fact, some of the worst offenders are sitting in your kitchen right now, posing as healthy snacks. Let's talk about the fruit traps you should dodge. Tiny, sweet, and easy to overeat. Grapes are sugar bombs in disguise. 1 cup packs more sugar than a small candy bar and almost no fiber to slow it down. That means blood sugar spikes, inflammation, and fatigue. Especially dangerous for anyone managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. They seem harmless, right? But dried fruits are like sugar-packed landmines. Without water and fiber, the sugars hit your bloodstream like a freight train, and some even contain sulfites, which can trigger asthma and worsen inflammation. Just a handful can undo a healthy meal. While ripe bananas are okay in moderation, unripe ones are full of resistant starch, a form of carbohydrate your gut really struggles to digest. This can lead to bloating, gas, and even block nutrient absorption. If you're eating bananas, go for the ripe, spotty kind. This one shocks a lot of people. Grapefruit contains compounds that interfere with enzymes that break down medications. That means your blood pressure meds, statins, even anti-anxiety meds could build up to dangerous levels. Even half a grapefruit can cause issues, so if you're on any prescription drugs, talk to your doctor before reaching for one. So here's the bottom line. Fruits can be one of the most powerful allies in your health journey, or one of the sneakiest threats. It's not just about what's sweet or juicy, it's about what your body needs at this stage of life. Stick with brain boosters like blueberries, heart helpers like pomegranate, gut lovers like apples, and all-rounders like avocado. and ditch the sugar traps that drain your energy and stress your system. With that said, thanks for die.